So you didn't want your hair to get wet. Loud.
We don't film my jelly rings.
Yep, got everything. I'll put music to it this time.
Yeah, but can you get rid of my jelly rings?
Don't put it on YouTube.
Can't Photoshop perfection, don't we?
Absolutely can.
Make me with the six pack done.
Beans.
Yeah.
It makes being a doodle.
I didn't want to swear because.
Rock?
Let's go.
How far do you reckon I can chuck that rock down the ridge?
How far can I throw you after it?
What?
How far can I throw you after it?
My what?
Gotta throw you after it.
Chuck a rock down.
Don't. Bananas.
Pardon me. Better not put that in the film, Dad. You're not posting it on YouTube either.
I'll do whatever I want.
We're going to do a big montage.
Alright, give it permission. Oh, there's a sock.
When you got in, it was freezing cold, and then it went so it was warm.
There's no little one.